Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to edit PDF files for free using WPS Office. If you often work with PDFs, you know it can be hard to change or add something in these files. But with WPS Office, it is easy and free. So let's see how to do that. Before we start, please check the description below. I have added links to download WPS Office and some useful tips to help you edit PDFs better. I always keep the description updated, so don't forget to check it after watching this video. Now, what is PDF file? PDF standards for portable document format. Many people use PDF to share documents because it looks the same on all devices. But editing a PDF is not simple without the right tool. Usually, you need a special software and many of them cost money. But WPS Office lets you do this for free. First, you need to download and install WPS Office on your computer or phone. You can find the link in the description below. After you open WPS Office, you can see a PDF tab in the left panel and the bottom side, or it shows an icon of PDF. Just click on this. When you open the PDF tool, you can open any PDF file you want to edit. Now you can add text, highlight important parts, and you can do all of the things. For example, if you have a homework assignment in PDF and you want to add answer, you can type directly on PDF page. You can also edit, delete, and move text, but this depends on how the PDF was created. If the PDF file is locked or protected, you might not be able to edit everything on that PDF, but you can still add notes or highlight. Another great feature is converting PDF files. If you want to change a PDF to a Word document or Excel sheet, you can do that. Just choose this Convert tab and it will install a plugin, and after that you can do that. After you finishing editing, don't forget to save the file. You can save this as PDF or any other format. This way, you keep your changes and can send the editing files to your teacher, boss, or friends. One small thing to remember is that WPS Office sometimes shows ads in the free version. These ads help keep the software free for everyone. If you want, you can pay a little to remove ads and get extra features. So in short, WPS Office is a very good free tool to edit PDF file. It is easy to use, works on many devices, and has many useful features for student, worker, or anyone who use PDFs. If you want to try editing PDFs with WPS Office, please check the description below for the safe download link. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech videos. I will see you in the next video.